Hello friends, so is your car throwing check engine code P0454? If your check engine light is on, your fuel gauge is acting strange, or you notice a fuel smell, this code could be the culprit. In this video, I'll explain what P0454 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, so what is P0454? The P0454 code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Pressure Sensor Intermittent. Your vehicle's evaporative emission control, or EVAP, system is designed to trap and manage fuel vapors before they escape into the atmosphere. The fuel tank pressure sensor, also known as the FTPS, monitors pressure inside the fuel tank. When the sensor sends inconsistent or fluctuating signals to the ECU, the P0454 error code appears. Now here are some common symptoms you might notice. First, the check engine light comes on. You might also see your fuel gauge reading incorrectly or fluctuating, which can be pretty confusing. Sometimes there's a strong fuel odor near the vehicle. You could even have difficulty refueling, like the gas pump shutting off randomly, which can be super frustrating. And finally, you might end up failing an emissions test. So yeah, these are the main things to watch for. Ignoring this code can actually lead to fuel vapor leaks, incorrect fuel readings, and even possible engine performance issues. It's definitely not something you want to put off, since it can cause bigger problems down the road. So, where do you find the main components involved with this code? To diagnose P0454, you'll need to locate a couple of key EVAP system parts. First, there's the fuel tank pressure sensor, or FTPS. This one is usually located right on top of the fuel tank, or sometimes inside the fuel pump assembly. Then, there's the EVAP purge valve, also called the purge solenoid, which you'll find near the intake manifold. This part actually controls the flow of fuel vapor. Knowing where these are can really help you get started with troubleshooting. The EVAP vent valve, also known as the vent solenoid, is usually located near the charcoal canister close to the fuel tank, and its job is to release excess pressure. The charcoal canister itself is positioned under the rear of the car near the fuel tank, and it stores fuel vapors. And then, you've got the EVAP hoses and wiring, which run between the fuel tank, the ECU, and the different EVAP system components. Here's a quick tip. Always check your car's service manual for the exact sensor locations, since it can vary depending on your vehicle model. Now let's talk about some common causes of a P0454 code. The first one is a faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, or FTPS. If this sensor malfunctions, it can send erratic signals to your car's computer and trigger that intermittent code. Now let's talk about a few more causes that could be behind this issue. First up, loose or damaged wiring or connectors. Corroded, shorted, or broken wires can, cause fluctuating sensor readings. Next, a blocked or faulty EVAP vent valve. If the vent valve is stuck or clogged, it might cause pressure fluctuations in the system. Another thing to keep in mind is fuel cap issues. A damaged, loose, or even missing fuel cap can prevent the system from maintaining proper pressure, and although it's pretty rare, sometimes an ECU software glitch can misread data and trigger this code. Alright, so how do you fix a P0454 code? Well, let's walk through the steps. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0454 code and check for any additional codes that might be stored. Next, locate the fuel tank pressure sensor, or FTPS, on the fuel tank and, inspect it for any signs of damage. After that, check the wiring and connectors. Look for anything loose, frayed, or corroded, since these issues can definitely cause problems. Moving on, step 4 is to test the FTPS with a multimeter. If you notice the voltage is unstable, then it's time to replace the sensor. Step 5. Inspect the EVAP vent valve and the purge solenoid to make sure they're operating properly. For step 6, make sure the fuel cap is tight and in good condition. Replace it if you need to. And finally, step 7. Clear the code using your OBD scanner, then take your vehicle for a test drive to confirm the fix worked. So, just to wrap things up, the P0454 code is usually caused by a faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, damaged wiring, or sometimes a blocked vent valve. Fixing this issue ensures your fuel system operates properly, helps prevent emissions problems, and of course keeps your car running smoothly. Hey, for more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next P0190, which covers fuel rail pressure sensor circuit malfunction, and P0191, which is all about fuel rail pressure sensor circuit range and performance. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.